A lot of military veterans, they have a sense of duty. It's not hard for us to get up at the crack of dawn, and it's easy for us to make plans, set goals, and try to at least move forward. And agriculture is kind of no different.
A lot of veterans struggle with that loss of mission. We struggle with the things that we've seen. We deal with depression, with anger, anxiety, a number of issues that make it difficult for that transition period to get into civilian life. There's a peace, a hope that is restored whenever we're out in the middle of a 300-acre pasture, or if we're just out here messing around in the garden. The mental well-being behind it is almost immediately beneficial, and that's what we get along with that restored hope and mission focus with farming and ranching.
Battleground to Breaking Ground is a program under Texas A&M AgriLife Extension to train beginning farmers and ranchers, specifically military veterans and active duty military. It's probably about 50% of the participants who join our program have no agriculture experience. And we've been able to take a lot of those folks and help them now be successfully self-employed in agriculture.
I did 9 years in the Army, and my job was to conduct route clearance. And basically what that means in layman's terms is I will drive down a route, and if there's IEDs in the road, my job was to pull it out of the road. So I did that for a long time. I got injured pretty bad. And then I ended up changing jobs to be a 72 Delta. But I knew whenever I got out, I wanted to do something that gave me peace of mind. Something a little bit more slower pace, a little bit more calming and relaxing, yet has a purpose. And agriculture just kind of fit all of those needs for me all at one time.
Gabe has always been very excited about the program. He's always been a great learner. A couple times he said, I'm just not great at this online learning. Like, I need to see it. Can I come sit down with you and we'll just sit and go through my assignments for the week? Absolutely, sure. He's a great student. He's one of those people who will find the resource that he needs. And I think to be successful, and not just in our program, but in the agriculture world, you just have to have that, get it done, regardless of your obstacles, find a way. So John went through and he completed the program as a student, and then became a mentor, and he became Gabe's mentor. So it started kind of as an agriculture type mentorship, gave him a place to bounce ideas off of, but then it became a really a tight-knit friendship.
It's been amazing working with John. Me and him make a really great team. He's very knowledgeable, and if there's something that I don't understand or I haven't really grasped the concept, he has no problem just taking it one step at a time and letting you know how to do it, why we do it this way, and how to do it better. My operation is a cow-calf and beef operations. So I will raise cattle. I currently have 4 starting out. One's pregnant, and hopefully she'll be giving birth next month. So it's pretty amazing. This has definitely helped my mental state and given me the peace of mind that I'm ultimately working towards.
This is a dying field, and we don't have people that are replacing those farmers as they edge out. And that Battleground to Breaking Ground program takes those military veterans who are used to serving their country to continuing to serve their country as farmers and ranchers. And they're just, man, feed me more.
I would lie if I said I didn't miss the military, but it is always and will be part of me. So the way I can reconnect with that is just by helping veterans as much as possible.